This time we're going to try the sedimentation test on the GPGM. I'm going to use this jar. Should be a lot clearer and easier to see. Those again are marked at every 10 gram increments, so that 10 grams is 10 milliliters, so it's a good indication of volume. So we'll go ahead and try that now. I'm deviating from FM5 410. I've included the gravel in here, and we'll see how this performs. The gravel wasn't a huge amount, so I went ahead and included it in the sample. So we have 100 milliliters, and we'll go ahead and add water, shake, and let it sit for 30 seconds. So we got about another 5 seconds. We'll let it go. So what we can see, we started with about 100 before, and then we're right here about 90 right now. You can see it right here also. So about 90 grams have fallen out in 30 seconds, so we can estimate 90% of the sample. 90 out of the 100 grams is sand size particles or gravel size, and that 10% is still in the suspension. So we have coarse grained would be 90% and fine grained 10%, so that would put it 10% fine, so we were appropriate to call it GPGM. You can also see when it settles out, you can kind of see some of the coarser particles, but really at the top you can see it's getting smaller and smaller. That's the gradation where water put the biggest particles, had it fall first, and then the other particles. And you can see right here at the top, that's the silt size. So after 30 seconds to a minute, the next few minutes, maybe up to 5 minutes, you know, those are definitely silt size particles. The clay will take about, can take anywhere from 6 hours, 24 hours to come out of suspension, but we can already see that line here. So all those silt size particles have come out of suspension, and you can even see the water. The water is a much clearer than compared to the clay sample. So this would just affirm that these fines are silty fines.